naman pumayag po si Mrs. Napoles sa mga kondisyon po nung pinarating ng kanyang emissary. Kaya nga po, pumayag na rin po ako na puntahan siya. And she was actually pleading that we do it, that we talk even before the Holy Week. Kasi po, gusto niya magkausap kami at nakuha yung kanyang statement bago siya operahan, before she undergoes surgery. Now, if I'm not mistaken, yung first schedule ng kanyang surgery was Wednesday last week. But since hindi pa kami nag-uusap, hindi pa niya binigay yung kanyang consent, it was reset to Easter Sunday. And about that Wednesday setting, no, meron pa siya isang dahilan, may pamahiin daw po siya na hindi daw dapat nagpapa-opera during Holy Week. So that's another reason for her. And then, the reset Easter Sunday, but since hindi pa nga kami uli nagkakausap, nagpa-reset uli. So finally, we had to meet last night because the initial information is that she is supposed to be operated on tonight at 10 p.m. So pumunta po ako, nagsama po ako ng isang team. Nandiyan din yung Sec JJ Justiniano and some investigators of the NBI. Nung nakumbinsi ko na po siya na kailangan, kasi nung una nagkikwento lang po siya. Very candidly and tuloy-tuloy lang yung kanyang kwento. But I said, useless po itong pag-uusap natin kung ganyan lang na sasabihin mo lang yan sa akin. Wala naman akong pinagahawakan na papel o hindi ko naman ma-preserve yung mga facts na yan kung hindi kayo mag-execute ng statement. So, pumayag po siya. In short, we were able to take her statement. We were there from 10 o'clock. And then, nakauwi ko ata kami, nakaalis ko ata kami almost 3 o'clock. So, we're able to take her statement, but there will be further sessions with her. And in fact, as we speak, baka nga ho, papunta na naman doon yung DOJ NBI team. Now, there would be further sessions with her for follow-up questions, follow-up, additional, clarificatory questions, because there are simply too much detail. But there are simply too many details, or there are facts that were provided us last night na kailangan din ng mga further details. There are already so many details, but there's a need for more details.